Nigeria is one of the most important countries in AP Comparative Government because it forces you to ask a big question. How do you build a stable democracy in a country with massive diversity, a history of military rule, and an economy shaped by oil? In AP Comp Gov, you're not memorizing trivia. You're learning to use political science concepts. When you study Nigeria, you should always be thinking legitimacy, institutions, participation, and rule of law. Nigeria is extremely diverse, hundreds of ethnic groups and multiple religions. In politics, that matters because identity can shape voting, trust in government, and conflict. One of Nigeria's biggest challenges is legitimacy. If people feel the government represents someone else's group, they may view the state as less rightful. Nigeria also has a history of military rule. That history matters because it shaped institutions, weakened trust, and created long-term corruption problems. Nigeria's current democratic era is often dated from 1999 to the present, so it's a relatively young democracy compared to older systems. Nigeria is a federal presidential system. Presidential means the president is both head of state and head of government, so executive power can be strong. Federal means power is shared between the national government and state governments. Federalism is designed to manage diversity by giving states real power and political importance. Nigeria's election rules are designed to prevent a candidate from winning using only one region or one group. To win the presidency, you need national support, and you also need a minimum share of votes across a wide range of states. The goal is to force coalition building in a diverse society. Nigeria's elections often push politics toward a smaller number of large parties. In AP terms, electoral rules matter. When systems rely heavily on winner-take-all contests in districts, they tend to reward broad competitive parties and punish small ones. So Nigeria's party system is shaped by the incentives built into elections. Nigeria's legislature is called the National Assembly. It has two chambers, the Senate and the House of Representatives. In theory, the legislature checks the president, and in some key moments, Nigeria's legislature has shown it can push back on executive power. But corruption and patronage networks have also been major challenges. Nigeria's rule of law story is complicated.